top. This is just a spacer that one of my buddies built me for feeders. That's pretty cool. And yes, our feeders are empty. We've got new ones here. These pollen patties, they've kind of chewed on them, but not much. I don't know. I was kind of disappointed in them. I don't see a hive beetle one in there. Yeah, no hive beetle. I'm not sure. They're filling this with nectar. That's good. No, not much there. Not much going on. Okay, what are they filling this with? They're just building kind of random comb. Not a whole lot going on. Oh, this one's got some weight to it. This, yeah, I'm gonna need that, I think. This one is full. Oh my goodness, it is full. Wow, it's full of honey. Oh my goodness, that is full of honey. I already started to cap it. Okay, good. I got this system figured out. I don't expect this one to be as full. No. Okay, so this has got, it's got some brood on it. There's queen.
Where?
There's queen.
Where?
Right there. The white dot.
Oh.
See her right in the middle? Did you get some bees with her?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right, sit her in the shade. Sit her in the shade. That'll make this a lot faster. I don't see any laying eggs. There's cat brood in here. There's some pollen in here. Oh yeah, there's eggs. There I see them now. Got some sun. So you see those little white dots in the bottom? Those are.
That's why she was on there. She
Yep.
had babies in there.
She's laying eggs. So this is good, and they're close to food, so that's good. Yeah, bees. Now I'm just looking for cat brood right here. Cat brood. There's cat brood right there, and then there's nectar,
Okay.
and it looks like more
Honey.
brood, honey. And I'm looking for queen cells. So if you see a big bulge,
That's a queen.
let me know. More storage. Okay, it's good. Okay, so this one, I know a lot going on here. Not a lot. I don't know what to know about here. Yeah, I get a lot to buzz about. And this is just food. Right in the middle again. That's where they sneak up your pant leg. And food is going to go clear on the end. This is a heavy mofo. That's just sliding, barely sliding in there. All right, so there's first one. There's something in there. It's not a beetle though.
I just well,
Probably not a lot done on it out here. Capping some honey, that's good.
I don't know.
What we got here? We got some nectar, cat honey, and no eggs, nothing like that. You might need a little more smoke in it. Push them down in here. Oh goodness, this guy's loaded. So we got a mixture of brood. See the darker brown?
Yeah.
Which was the lighter yellow earlier. We got good brood. Just kind of getting a spotty laying pattern. But they're probably using it for food. I'm not seeing a lot of drone comb. There's a little bit of drone comb. So you see how we've got these raised beds? That looks like a little bit of drone. Nothing crazy.
Ooh, that's heavy.
What's that? I don't really like it. Oh, okay, this is good brood. Look at this. Okay, so see all that cap stuff right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's all brood. That's beautiful. That's what we want to see. And they got pollen, and we're working on nectar and cap and honey in there. It's good. Same thing here. We've got good brood. It's this stuff here. And then they're building food around it. And we're good there. Do one whole inspection. Oh, this is solid brood. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. This is awesomeness right here. This is greatness right here. Love seeing that. That's your feature. And here we go again. Look at this. We got tons of brood again. Here's another queen cell.
Uh-oh.
Smash it. They're usually at the bottom, but not always. Brood. I'm not seeing a lot of eggs in here, but that's okay because oh, there's a larvae. See a little white thing? A little larvae.
Yeah, I do.
I'm gonna set this down. Right down in here, I think. There's a little white thing. So it's not capped over yet.
Okay.
So they feed them jelly for 3 days. All the bees get the same thing. And then it's a queen, then they feed her royal jelly. Okay, so this is where I would expect to see the queen next. So you can see some little larvae up top.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, she might not be back here for a while because if those are larvae, this is 21 days. So, and then their pollen, packing food around it, that's good. Let's see what I got over here on this side. I'm seeing pollen.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not seeing a lot of larvae. Oh, yeah, I'm seeing larvae. Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Yep. Okay. All right, that's good. This one's gonna be heavy. This one's gonna be a lot of food. I don't know. It's not. It's got more brood. Oh my goodness. Well, it's got brood and food. Well, see the larvae in there?
Yeah.
Good, good. That's awesome. Okay. I can see that. What we got here? We got a shit ton of bees, so that means that there's probably larvae on here,
Oh, yeah.
and they're feeding them.
Yep.
Okay.
You can see it.
Good. And last but not least, yep, it's food storage. It's good. I'm like the most unpopular guy right now.
Looks so
This
good.
one's not much root.
Yeah, I don't like that plastic one.
I don't either, honestly. So now I want to take the bottom off, get this whole piece off. All right. Well, okay. Smoke them off that. I'm putting them back on. I thought I was going to have to do some more cleanup in here, but. So I got the queen. Drop her in here. She's probably going to want to fly up. All right. Okay, smoke them down for me one more time, and then we'll put the top on. I guess we can throw feeders on there now.
Stuff settled.
Woohoo! Yeah, we are done. No high beetles. One is looking good. Lots of brood. It makes me happy. Lots of food. I think they'll be able to make it through winter. We'll just keep supplementing them and feeding them, though, of course. Should be in pretty good shape and ready for a split in the spring. Only one queen cell, which was really nice because I don't have to worry about them trying to split in the month of August or September. Yeah, so overall, it was a good inspection. Not too many mishaps, but a few. So, we're winning.